Welcome back to Henthorn's Performance. We've got the lowrider stripped down. It's the end of the season. We're not going to do any more long hauls, so we took a bunch of shit off of it. SV's just hanging out. No parts here for the bobber. 99 is on loan, but we got crash bars and a windshield for the Cfmoto and stuff falling in my garage for no fucking reason. Goddamn ghost. This is gonna be multi-parts. We're gonna do the windshield, and then we're gonna cut and probably go for a ride. Then we're gonna come back and we're gonna do the engine mounts. I already took the exhaust off so I could get her jacked up safely so I can support the engine. I'm taking some shit loose to do the fucking crash bars. We also have mirrors and then hand controls on the way. Everything's gonna be changed. It's gonna be a real long form video. We're also gonna break it down into small sections of each one, so y'all can check in on those. Cfmoto 300 NK. We check in with y'all in a second as I start the process. All right, so we're starting with the windshield. I already took the bolts loose that I need to take loose, but we need to take this piece off right here, and then these two here. So we're gonna pull these out. Obviously, don't try to hit your bars and shit when you're doing this. So that's where I'm at right now. We're gonna pull these out, and then we're gonna pull these two out. Like this guy. Just like this, and then I'll get the brackets half-ass set up with y'all and check in a minute. So we got the brackets mocked up. Oh, they're kind of tight. I don't know if I like it. We're gonna see how it works out. Everything's kind of loose right now. Probably tighten these down, this lower one, and then do adjustment with these. But yeah, so we're gonna set this and see how it works out. Alright, so we got it all mocked up. Everything's still loose. It looks good. You can't see through it at all, so that part as a windshield is practically useless. But she said it was windy. Maybe it'll be less windy. It looks pretty good, doesn't it? Kind of tits. Alright, now we're going to move on to the next step. But that is all tightened down. eBay windshield. I'll try to throw a link in the description for a Cfmoto 300 NK. That's Henthorn's Performance. Let me know what y'all think. Now you can't see through it at all. It's more of a reflection. But I think it's kind of tits. We'll see how it goes on to the next step.